Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 leaks. Get ready for the best fitness tracker yet. In the rapidly evolving landscape of fitness trackers, the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 has emerged as a beacon of anticipation. Following the successful Galaxy Fit 2 launched in September 2020, recent leaks and speculations suggest that Samsung is gearing up to introduce the next iteration in the Galaxy Fit series. This exploration delves into the latest insights, leaks, and a carefully crafted wishlist, offering a holistic perspective on what the Galaxy Fit 3 might bring to the table. Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 release date. At the moment, there is no official word on the release date of the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. However, various rumors and speculations suggest that it may hit the market in the first half of 2024. Industry experts believe that the much-awaited fitness tracker could potentially be unveiled at a major tech event such as CES in January or MWC in February/March. Alternatively, it may have a solo launch sometime between April and June. Although we cannot confirm the official release date, here is what we already know, or strongly suspect, about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 fitness tracker. Design and display. Leaked renders offer a sneak peek into the design evolution of the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, hinting at a departure from its predecessor. A larger screen than the 1.1-inch display on the Galaxy Fit 2 suggests a potential foray into a more sophisticated smartwatch aesthetic. Unofficial renders additionally showcase the inclusion of a physical button and a microphone hole, with color choices spanning gray, gold, and black. AI integration and technological advancements. In tandem with the industry-wide trend towards incorporating generative AI into devices, leaked information indicates that the larger screen on the Galaxy Fit may facilitate the integration of an AI assistant. This development aligns with discussions surrounding AI upgrades for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24, underscoring Samsung's commitment to cutting-edge technology. Battery upgrade. Leaked details pertaining to the Galaxy Fit 3's battery suggest a noteworthy increase in capacity compared to its predecessor. However, the potential trade-off associated with a larger screen raises questions about the overall impact on battery life. Achieving a delicate equilibrium between enhanced capacity and efficient power consumption becomes imperative in meeting user expectations. Price. It was initially projected that the pricing for an upcoming product would be similar to the Galaxy Fit 2 at $59. However, recent leaks have suggested that there may be a significant change in the pricing landscape, with the potential cost doubling to around $120. This deviation has led to speculation about the introduction of premium features that could justify the price shift. Enhanced heart rate monitoring. Building upon the commendable features of the Galaxy Fit 2, a critical improvement in heart rate monitoring accuracy is paramount. Addressing any discrepancies in resting and active heart rate readings will bolster the Galaxy Fit 3's reliability as a fitness tracking companion. GPS functionality. The absence of GPS in the Galaxy Fit 2 was notable. The wishlist for the Galaxy Fit 3 advocates for the inclusion of built-in GPS or, at a minimum, connected GPS functionality. This addition would facilitate more accurate tracking of outdoor activities. Optimized battery life. While the Galaxy Fit 2 boasts commendable battery life, discrepancies between stated claims and real-world usage have been observed. The wishlist anticipates a Galaxy Fit 3 capable of consistently delivering 2 weeks of battery life under typical usage conditions. Versatile always-on display. Acknowledging the luxury of an always-on display, the wishlist expresses a desire for its inclusion. Implementing this feature with user-friendly toggling options would cater to diverse user preferences, allowing a balance between functionality and battery conservation. Altitude tracking with altimeter. Though not a necessity, the addition of an altimeter is proposed as a useful feature for fitness enthusiasts. Elevation tracking during various activities would contribute to the Galaxy Fit 3's versatility, enhancing its appeal to a broader user base. Conclusion. As the excitement builds for the impending unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, enthusiasts eagerly await confirmation of leaks and the potential realization of wishlist features. If Samsung successfully integrates these improvements, the Galaxy Fit 3 stands poised to redefine expectations in the wearable fitness technology landscape for 2024. Stay tuned for updates as the Galaxy Fit 3 emerges as a potential front-runner in the competitive fitness tracker market.